Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Escape between year 2012 and year 2020. If you need to replace key fob battery, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It's not very complicated, it will take you practically only just a few seconds or minutes, but we'll share three things that we recommend to do. That way you don't cause damage to the key fob when you take it apart and you put it together. So let's explain how to do that now. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, absolutely free. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you need to buy new key fob, battery, tools, parts, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So this is, guys, the key right here. That's what it looks like. Yours may differ a little bit depending on which option package you have, but if you have a case that looks similar, how we do it right here, guys, okay, you're going to slide that button to the outside, keep it all the way to the outside and pull the physical key out. If the key is not cut, go ahead and take it to the dealership to cut your keys. If you bought it used, sometimes people may give it to you with a spare key that wasn't cut, and if your car battery dies, you will not be able to open your door manually. Now, how you guys take it apart now? You get a plastic panel removal tool or a screwdriver. Okay, you can put electrical tape around it a little bit so you don't scratch things, but what you do, okay, you're going to come here, pry a little bit in an angle, don't push on the buttons on the inside, okay, and now you're going to come here, separate the two pieces, it comes apart. Clean here, guys, where the two pieces contact each other, because you may have dust, dirt, fuzzies from your pockets, guys, okay, lint, you know, that will prevent it to seal and close correctly in some cases. When you put it together later, make sure that the circuit board aligns here in these two holes and it's fixed in place. And when you push the two pieces together later after you replace the battery, don't push on the buttons on the bottom, because if you do, the whole circuit board will come up and it can break it, guys. So don't do that. Now, the battery itself, how do you guys replace it? Okay, right here there is one place where you have an arrow. That arrow, you just come like that. Gently lift it up, it will come out. And how do you install it? You have an arrow again, you need to position it, guys, okay, and come in an angle like that, push down, align the two pieces now, okay, keep holding this one laying down, that way it will not fall, and gently just hold the sides of the key, not the buttons, okay, align it and start closing it, guys. Okay, and all we have to do, push the key in. That's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.